My bike was here. These people were shouting. All of a sudden, I didn't even know what happened. I just went there. The bag was there. I just seen bag. Then after later on, like 40-50 seconds, I just saw his head. So I pulled out his hair and he came out.
I never thought that in Bangalore this much of drainage I had to face. And again, I thought that I would be able to cross it. But again, it's my stupidity. I would have done work from home. And I'm coming just to go to my workplace.